Hello, Miss Coulter's friends. I hope you're doing well today. Today I'm going to show you how to do your first classroom assignment. You will go to Google Classroom. You will log into your Google account. You will click on this and you will go to Google Classroom. Once you get to Google Classroom, you will click on Miss Coulter's class. And right here at the top is your first assignment, the Getting to Know You assignment. You will click on it. And you will see something like this, and it has directions. You will need to read the directions, which pretty much tell you that you're going to make an About Me presentation, which will introduce you to me so I can get to know you better. But you will click on the presentation. You will start out by typing your name. Side by, which won't be Miss Coulter, be your name. Then you will go to the next slide that says My Name Is. You can type out your name. You can change what font you want it to be. You can change how big you want it to be. You can do whatever you want. You can change the color, make it look fancy, whatever you want to do. And this next slide says My Name Means, and I want you to tell me what's special about your name. Where did you get your name? How did you get your name? What does your name mean in your home language? But you can type it out to tell me. These are people in my family. You can insert a picture from your computer. So you can look through your documents and you can try to find a picture of your family. This is not a picture of the family, but you get the idea. It'll insert the picture of your family, or if you don't have any pictures of your family, you can just type out their names and how they're related to you. Are they your sister, your brother, your mom, your dad? Same thing with pets. You can insert an image into this of your pets. If you don't have an image, you just type out their name and what kind of animal they are. My favorite movie is, you can do a Google search if you want. Search the web. One of my favorite movies that's off the top of my head is Sandlot. So, I might look for a picture that I really like. Okay. This is a cool picture. It's a picture of the actors that played in the movie and what they look like now, what they look like in the movie. So I might put that there. And then over here, I might insert a text box. Alright, Sandlot. My favorite color is, you can make this whole box filled up with your favorite color. Mine is blue. My favorite place to be, you can find a picture of your favorite place to be, or you can just type out your favorite place and why it's your favorite place. My birthday is, you can post a picture, insert a picture from a birthday party that you had, and then add the date that you were born, or you can just type out maybe one of your favorite memories of a birthday party that you had. And then tell me when your birthday is. My favorite books to read are, you can insert different pictures of the covers of different books that are your favorite. Or again, if you don't want to do the pictures, just type out the name of the book and the author that wrote it. But that is the end. I hope you all have fun with this assignment, and I can't wait to learn all about you all. Thank you.